This one for important, that one GATE, SLED and IIT JAM also. Next I discuss this one is microstate. This one very important. Okay, the first is by direct configuration. First one by direct configuration. So first formula is by direct configuration. So how to write this one is by direct configuration, number of microstate factorial n or n factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay, this one is formula by direct configuration. So by direct configuration, this one of n factorial n divided by factorial r into n minus r factorial. Okay, now what is n? Suppose you have P2. Okay, n means this highest number of electrons, that means total number of electrons, maximum capacity. Okay, then total number of electrons here, or in p orbital how many electrons are occupied, the total number, so maximum electron, this one is n, this n. Here in case of p and p, the total number of electrons is maximum number of electrons here 6. So this one is n value, maximum number of electrons you have to write. Okay, p orbital. Suppose you d orbital, here maximum number of electrons occupied, how many electrons occupied, maximum number 10. In case of d, in case of f, how many, 14. Okay, so this one is n value is 6. Now this r is what, r, that means how many electrons are occupied. Now how many electrons are occupied, 2. This one is r value. Okay, r value means number of electrons in p subshell, how many electrons are present in this subshell or this orbital. Okay, now you have to write here 6, n value 6, factorial 6. Okay, factorial 6. Now r, factorial r. Now 6 minus 2 factorial, then you can write 6 factorial and 2 factorial, and here 6 minus 2, then 4 factorial. Okay, this one is 4 factorial. Now you have to open this factorial 6. How to open? It's a very easy one. In earlier class you have learned, in class 11, I think 11 or 12. Okay, permutation and combination in chapter in maths. Okay, this one. So how to open this one? Suppose you have factorial 6. How to open? 6 into 5 into 4 into 2 into 1, like this, into yes, like this. So here 6 into 5 into factorial 4. Why factorial 4? Because downside also factorial 4. That's why this much. 2 into, this one have to open factorial 2, then 2 into 1 into factorial 4. Then this one can cancel. This one can cancel. Then 3 equal to 15. Okay. Now what is the microstates of p2 orbital? Here 15. Okay, this one. Now another example, suppose you have d3 or d2. Suppose d2. Okay, suppose d2. Now what is the n value? In d subshell or d orbitals, how many electrons, total number of electrons you can write? Total number of electrons here 10. Okay, now r value, what is r? R means how many electrons are present now. How many electrons are present? Yeah, 2. That's why 2. Understood? R means how many electrons are present in D subshell now. How many? Yeah, 2. This is okay. 2. Now this one you can put here. Okay, in this formula. Okay. See, this one 10, factorial 10 divided by R value is 2, factorial 2, and this one is 10 minus 2 factorial equal to factorial 10 and factorial 2 and factorial 8. Now we can write factorial 10. Now you can, this one is open, this factorial open till factorial 8. Okay, 9 factorial 8. Here 2 into 1 into factorial 8. Factorial 8 factorial cancel. Now this one can cancel. Then 5. 5 9 is 45. Okay, so this one. So how many microstates are present in D2 subshell or D2 orbitals? 45. Okay, this one. So this one is by direct configuration. Like this you can find out. Okay, very easy. Next, by mixing or mixed configuration. Mixed configuration. Okay. Next one is mixed configuration. By mixed configuration. By mixed configuration. So by mixed configuration means what? Suppose you have P1 D1. Same symbol have to use, that one same symbol done, that this previous formula you can use. Previous formula is factorial N divided by factorial R N minus R. Okay, this one. P1 for P1 and D1. No? Now P1 and D1, right? Suppose, okay, I can write here R factorial R. Sorry, factorial R, then factorial R and factorial N minus R into for D1 here factorial N and factorial R N minus R. See, factorial N in P orbitals, total number of electrons. Okay, maximum highest capacity what? How many? 6, factorial 6. Yeah, how many electrons? R below this one. R below this one, then 1. Then direct I write here 6 minus 1, then okay, 6 minus 1 like this into this one. Now in case of D 10 factorial 10 and factorial R 1, and this one is 10 minus 1. You can write here factorial 6, okay, downside factorial 1, then 1 write, okay, then factorial 5, and this one factorial 6. Now you can write till 5, okay, 6 into factorial 5. So this one can cancel into then factorial 1, factorial 9, 10 minus 1 9, and factorial 10 into 9. Then factorial 9 factorial cancel. Then 6 into 10. Okay, equal to 60. So this one is by mixed configuration. Okay, 60. So what is the microstates of P1 D1? Then like this you can do. Okay, then 60. Understood? Like this. Next example. Suppose another one, S1 P1 by mixed configuration. S1 P1 by mixed configuration, then same factorial N divided by factorial R into N minus R into factorial n have two orbitals, that's why 2 times. Okay, because this one by mixing or mixed configuration. Factorial r n minus factorial r. Okay, n minus r factorial. Now for s, total number of electron 2, here 1, and here 2 minus 1. Okay, now here the p 6 factorial 6, then 1 factorial 1, r value factorial 1, then 6 minus 1 factorial, then factorial 2 1, you can add 1 factorial 1, then 1 and factorial 1, here factorial downside first right factorial 1 into factorial 5, and this one have to open 6 into 5, this one can cancel, 2 into 1, here 1 into 1, this one 6 1, then 12. So by mixing configuration, this one is S1P1. What is the microstate? S1P1, then 12. Okay, 12 microstate. Understood? Next, by using term. Okay, next process or next method is by using term. By using term. 3 number. By using term. So by using term, this is formula 2s plus 1 l. 2s plus 1 l. Okay. So 2s plus 1, this one is spin multiplicity. This one is what? This one is spin multiplicity. Okay, spin multiplicity. This one, and this general formula, you can see general formula 1. General formula 2s plus 1 12 plus 1. Okay, this one. So 2s plus 1 and 12 plus 1. Now one example, suppose you have 3f. Now how to find out what is the microstate of 3f? Okay, yeah. So all of you know that one azimuthal quantum number. Okay, then azimuthal quantum number 0, 1, 2, 3. If L value is 0, the what is the spectroscopic notation? Yes, and this one P, this one D, this one F. Okay, this one. Understood? Now this one is what? This one is spin multiplicity. Here spin multiplicity is what? You can write this one 2s plus 1 value how much? This one. So this one is spin multiplicity. Now F, what is the L value? If L value 3, then you can write F notation. Okay, F. Now L value how much here? L value 3. Okay, L value is 3. So this one 2s plus 1, this is spin multiplicity. 2s plus 1 spin multiplicity how much? 3, and L value 3. So general formula, this one 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. So 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1, this one. Suppose, now what is the microstate? So you can write here. Now 2s plus 1, this is general formula. 2s plus 1 value is 3 into 2l plus 1. So 2 into L value is how much? L value is 3 now. 3 plus 1, then 3 into 6 plus 1, 7 equal to 21. And this one very important, this one came 2016. Okay, exit year, that exit to 2016, then June or December, I don't know this one, but 2016 came this one. Okay, so what is the microstate of 3F21? Okay, this one, this formula you can go ahead. Okay, this one. So by using term the 2s plus 1 L. Okay, L. Next, another one, suppose 3p. Suppose 3p. Now this one is spin multiplicity. So what is the spin multiplicity of p? This one, yeah, 3. That means 2s plus 1 value is 3. Yes, 2s plus 1 value now 3. Now p. If L value is 1, then P. If L value is 1, then what is the spectroscopic notation? This one is 1. If P, then L value 1. Now L value is 1. You can write here 2s plus 1 value. 2s plus 1 value how much? 3. 3 into next 2L plus 1. Then 2L plus 1. Then 2 into L value is 1 plus 1, 3 into 1 is 2 plus 1, 3, then 9. So what is the microstate of 3p? 9. Okay, like this you can find out. So another example, suppose 4f. Okay, 4f. This also same spin multiplicity you can put here. Okay. 4f, then spin multiplicity 4 into now f value 3, L value f. If f, then L value is 3. Then 2 into 3 plus 1, then 4 into 6, 7, then 20. Like this. So like this one. Okay. So by using term like this you can find out. Okay. Next. Oh, let me see this video going or not. Yes, working. Next, by term symbols. By term symbol. Now by term symbols, 2s plus 1 L J. This one. 2s plus 1 L J. So microstate 2j plus 1. This is another formula. Microstate, number of microstate you can find out. If that one some by term symbol, suppose one term symbol is there, then what is the microstate? How to find out? Okay, then this is formula. Microstate equal to 2j plus 1. Microstate equal to 2j plus 1. Here j, if j is if more than half fill, then this formula you can use. If less than half fill, L minus S, this formula. Okay, this one for less than half fill. Less than half fill. This one is more than half fill. Okay. Now one example. This one is, suppose one example, see 3p2. Okay, like this. Then 3p2. Now what is the term symbols? So 3p2, what is the term symbols? Now how to find out? Then see 2s plus 1. This one is spin multiplicity. This one is what? Spin multiplicity. And L, this p, and j value now. J value is 2. Then you can write 2 into 2 plus 1. Then 2 to the 4 plus 1. Then 5. So this one. Okay, 5. The number of microstate is 5 of this terms. Okay, 3p2. Understood now? So this one is microstate. How to find out? Okay. Next, by Mulliken symbols. Next is by Mulliken symbols. So Mulliken symbols, all of you know this one. A1G, EG, that T2G, like this. Okay. See, by Mulliken symbol. Remember, by Mulliken symbol. So by Mulliken symbol, then 2EG, after that 6 A1G, then 3 T1G, then 3 T2G. This is Mulliken symbols. Okay. Now microstate, how to find out microstate? Microstate equal to multiplicity okay, so multiplicity into dimension, multiplicity. Okay, multiplicity into dimension. Now what about its dimension? See, EG, this dimension is, if EG is there, then dimension is doubly. If A1G, dimension 1. If T, then this one is triply, and this one also triply. Okay, this one triply degenerate, singly degenerate, and this one doubly degenerate. That means dimension is here 2 for. Suppose 2EG. Now multiplicity. So this one is called multiplicity. This one also multiplicity. This one is multiplicity. This one also multiplicity. So in case of this one, the multiplicity is 2, and dimension EG dimension is what? EG dimension 2. Then 2 into 2, 4. Okay, 4. Suppose this one, in case of this one, what is the microstate? You can write here 6. Okay, now in case of 6, here 1G. Now number of microstate equal to multiplicity. Here multiplicity is 6 into dimension. This one is A1G. The dimension is 1 equal to 6. And this one, all are this one. What? This one is spin multiplicity. Okay. What about this one? And you can write here 3. This is multiplicity. This 3. Then 3 into, this is triply degenerate. Then 3 equal to 9, like this. In case of 3 T1G. Now in case of this one, then 3 into 3, 9. Like this you can find out. Okay. So this way, this 5 method you have to know, then very easily you have to find out that microstate, number of microstate. I will discuss in term symbol and term. Okay.